bless, and love and light, everybody. Thank you, everybody who's here. I want to thank Councilman Lewis for bringing us all together. Thank you, Councilman Joseph. This is we are probably where most of us thought we would be, and tried to warn folks about what was happening. I just want to be clear about it. And too often, people try to pretend like folks were exaggerating. And just so people are aware, right now, what they're doing are making people who were here legally, who are actually in this country in a legal status, now here illegally, to expand the pool of people they can deport. This goes with the fact that they're trying to take away birthright citizenship. I say this because this was never about illegal immigration. This was never about violent criminals, ever. It was simply about immigration, particularly black and brown immigrants. That's all. That's who this was aimed at. And so I hope the media will push out the fact that sanctuary cities has never protected violent criminals, ever. And I hope they will push out the fact that they are now trying to create pathways to deport people who were actually in this country legally. And the biggest impact of that is usually black immigrants. And so we always have to make sure we're lifting up the experiences of black immigrants. And I want folks to understand that we have to talk about these things together. What's happening with DEI, what's happening with immigration. It is all about the erasure of people, the erasure of history. It's almost as if they're trying to criminalize certain communities for even existing. That is what this is about. And the only way we get through this is together and being honest about what is happening. And think about where they're sending people back to in Haiti. Think about that. The dehumanization of people are what this is about. We cannot stand for it. We have to find ways to push back, and we have to remember that at the ballot box. This is xenophobic, it is racist, it is anti-black, and that's just the truth. Whether you want to accept or believe it or not, that is the truth. I also want to make sure that we have lessons here for our own folks that thought this was only going to be about other people, other types of immigrants. It has never been only just about the people you don't like or the people you want to push aside. It has always been about everyone. And lastly, your eggs are still high as hell, if you can find them. So was this ever really about the price of eggs? I don't think so. It's about exactly what we've been saying it was, and it's playing out the way we said it would. Peace and blessings.
Thank you, Public Advocate. At this time, we will now introduce our fearless council member, Farrah Lewis.
Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. I'm Councilmember Farrah Lewis, proudly representing Council District 45 in Brooklyn, home to one of the largest Haitian American communities in the country. I want to express my gratitude to my colleagues in the City Council and the New York State. I also want to thank NYC, New York Immigration Coalition, Flatbush Development Corporation, Little Haiti BK,